So our first mission is write an equation in slope-intercept form. And our second mission is to write an equation in point-slope form. Okay, go ahead and continue copying that down. Mission number 1 is finding the slope. I could actually see the slope here. That's something I've been minimizing, but I can see the slope between points. Look at vertical shift is up 6, and then over 100, 25, 50, 75, 100. So the slope is going to be 6 over 100. There's your slope already. I'm gonna use a formula, but just I want to show you that if you look at a graph, you can actually see the slope. Vertical, so remember this is delta y, that's vertical, over delta x, that's horizontal. So vertical is 6, delta x is 100. You see? Vertical over horizontal. And then if we simplify it 6 over 100, let's see, what number goes into 6 and 100? 2, huh? So 2 goes into 6 3 times, 2 goes into 150 times. Look at, for every $3 of sales tax, $50 of the cost. So this is sales tax, cost. So $3 for every $50 of cost, it goes up. So the higher the cost for every $50 it goes, the tax will be raised $3 more. This is the sales, and this is the cost. Okay, but let's do the delta y, delta x, just in case you guys are in case some of you are uncomfortable doing what I just did, just by vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Let's go delta y, delta x. Same thing, huh? Okay, delta y, I'll use the 106 here. Okay, so delta y, 12 minus 6, right? So I got 12 minus 6 here for delta y, and delta x is 200 minus 100. 200 minus 100. 12 minus 6 is 6. 200 minus 100 is 100. There it is. 350, 3 over 50. There's our slope. Let me get some more room here. Okay, so we're ready. I think we're ready. Let's see. What is our y-intercept here? Where's it cross the y-axis? Where does it cross? Well, my question is this. Where does it cross the y-axis? 0. There's your b. Times x? Right, because a 0 doesn't mean anything, huh? So yeah, so you're talking about it would be more professional. So yeah, so you're skipping it. Good. So watch. Y equals mx plus b. We're ready to rock and roll. Here we go. So y then is equal to 3 over 50 x plus 0. But it's more professional to not put the 0, because if you add 0 to anything, it doesn't change it. So this is more professional. That's what Mr. Flotus is getting at, 3 over 50x. This is your final equation. It's unnecessary to put the 0 if it's the y-intercept is 0. All right. We got the slope-intercept form out of our way. Now let's do the point-slope form, which is it's easier. I think it's easier. Point-slope form. You just pick any point you want and put it in there. and you already have the slope. Look at I did it again. I put x instead of m. Coffee time. Here we go. Y minus this one. Let's do it. We'll do 106. We'll pick that one. Again, it doesn't matter which one you pick. So y minus 6 equals, slope is 3/50 times x minus 100. Done. Point slope, slope-intercept form. We're rocking and rolling. I love it when I'm able to teach my students how to write equations of lines. It's a pretty powerful tool, pretty powerful skill that a lot of students are not able to do. A graph is thrown and you can describe it with an equation. It's powerful. One Google question.